Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to scan Wi-Fi QR code with laptop. So first you have to go to scan QR code and then you have to upload the QR code right here. Basically you should see the result on the right side, and this is the result that we're going to add to our network and our PC. So you have to go to your settings. You have to look for settings here. You have to open settings, click open, and then here you have to look for network and internet. Click this one. And then here, what you're going to do is you have to look for managed network. Then basically you can go to Wi-Fi or you can go to network till you see this manage no networks. Click this one. Tap on add network. And here we're going to add the information from this result. Copy the name, paste it right here. For the security type, tap on the personal. Click this one right here. And then here you have to go back and then copy this part and then go back again to your add to network and then paste it right here. After that, you can now click save, and all you have to do next is to just basically connect to this network. So this is how you scan Wi-Fi QR code with laptop. You just have to upload the QR code first, see the result, and then add it manually to your desktop or PC. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.